Let us study Reflection Basics Part 2. Let us understand what is convergence of light rays. You must have seen such type of TV antennas everywhere. A smaller kind of this TV antenna may be installed at your rooftop also. What is actually happening in such kind of antennas? The radiations that are transferred or that are relayed by the satellites are being captured by the surface of the dish antenna and they are focused at one point. What do you observe? The light rays reflected from a large area concentrate at a small area. Light rays move towards a point. When the rays move towards a point, the distance between the rays goes on decreasing. Intensity of light goes on increasing towards the point. This is what happens in convergence. We see convergence in case of concave mirrors. So you see light rays after reflection are meeting or converging at a point. We also see convergence in case of a convex lens. The rays after passing through the lens are getting focused at one point. So we define convergence as when parallel rays after reflection or refraction meet at a point. Now let us understand divergence. You have seen a street lamp. What happens in a street lamp? Light produced in a small area illuminates a large area. During this process, light rays move away from a point. In this process, the distance between the rays goes on increasing. Also, the intensity of light goes on decreasing. Divergence can also be seen in convex mirror. You see, the light rays after reflection appear to meet from a point. Divergence can also be seen in case of a concave lens. You see, the light rays after getting refracted appear to come from a single point. So we define divergence as when parallel rays after reflection or refraction appear to meet at a point. Let us try to understand what are the types of images. You have used a camera. In a camera, the object's image is captured on the screen of the camera. You have seen the working of a projector. The image projected through projector is captured on the white screen. In your eyes, image of object that we see through eyes is actually formed on a screen called retina. These were the examples where the image was captured on a screen. But certain images cannot be taken on a screen. For example, image formed inside a mirror. Though the image is there, it cannot be captured or taken on a screen. So what are the types of images? There is an image that can be taken on a screen, and there is an image that can't be taken on a screen. Image that can be taken on a screen is called a real image, and the image that can't be taken on a screen is called a virtual image. The real image is formed by actual meeting of rays, or when the rays really meet. You see in this figure, the rays that pass through the lens are actually meeting at a point and the image is formed. A virtual image is formed when the rays appear to meet. You see in this example, the object is kept near the lens. The rays coming out from the lens are not actually meeting, but they appear to meet at a point behind the object. Such kind of image is called a virtual image. Remember, this image cannot be taken on a screen. This is how image enlargement takes place in case of a magnifying glass. What you are actually seeing is an enlarged virtual image that you cannot capture on a screen. You must have also observed in the figures that real images are always inverted, while the virtual images are always upright. Let us study the laws of reflection. The first law is the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence always lie in the same plane. Let us understand this with the help of an figure. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence are in the same plane. Let us understand this with another figure. You see, the plane of incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal is same. The second law of reflection says the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Let us see this with the help of an figure. You see, the angle of incidence is the angle formed between the incident ray and normal. The angle of reflection is the angle formed between the normal and the reflected ray. Angle I is always equal to angle R. Thank you.